Nasa Baguio na kami. Ano, tara. May 7-Eleven, no? Session Road. Ano, tara. Makatapos lang po.
Baguio City, babe.
Dito kami ngayon. Papunta kami sa terminal. Dangwa Terminal. We're going at Atok ba? Mamimitas kami ng bulaklak doon. Panapamitas kami ng bulaklak doon. Ipapadala namin sa Pampanga.
Yan pala namin kasi nalanta na eh.
Nalanta na kasi oh. Tapos mamaya malalanta pa lalo.
Tawa na dyan. Nung unas damok ay di mata siya ng bagyong umnaude.
We're na at Atok, Benguet. Charing! Benguet. Hindi, charing. Atok. Ayun na kasi. Atok, Benguet Atok ba? Napunta na kasi sa Northern Blossom Hotel. Kasi nagmamadali na naman. Uy, uy, uy. Look at flowers, so nice. Yeah. So ito yung entrance. Bale pag pumunta ka dito, 250 entrance. Tapos yung environmental fee, 50 pesos. Tapos yung na yun, yung 250 na yun is sa end of ng tour na to, meron ka na ding free coffee, unlimited free coffee, and then unlimited bread. Wow. It's so nice. Sheesh. Sheesh. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Tired of fitting in, wanna do something well different. I'm thinking brand new thoughts, so futuristic. I'ma take time out, gotta get my mind right somehow. Awakening the force, feeling mystical. You've been on my line, I stay busy grinding. I ain't got the time, got business to be minding. I'm a boss, you know this. I'm a boss, you know this. Wasted, can't feel my face, yeah. I've been sipping cups, trying to make it go away. Make it painless that we didn't make it. 'Cause when I'm sober stay busy grinding. I ain't got the time, got business to be minding. I'm a boss, you know this. I'm a boss, you know this. We go together, I'm yours forever. Take me away, away. It's you I treasure, 'cause there's nothing better. Take me away, away. My love, never give it up.
Hi. So just wanna appreciate this moment and share with you guys. May ilang beses ko na to sa bag. And I never thought I can do this. Actually, ang weird dito sa Baguio. Highway dito sa baba. Pero pag umakit ka ulit sa taas nito, ayan. 1. Second floor na to. Tapos third floor. Tapos fifth floor. Diba? Fifth floor. So wala pa kami mismo sa tuktok, no? Fifth floor na to. Pagka sixth floor, oh, tingnan nyo. Highway ulit. How come? Is it highway again? Diba? Huwag ka muna mag-uubad. Hindi naman nata aircon yan eh. Heater yan eh. Baka may SM. Sam's kami. Pulang mukha. Favorite mo yaw-yaw, no? Anong favorite mo? Favorite mo sa yaw-yaw? Adobo. Chicken adobo. Sa malamig na lugar na. Bali pala first time ko mag-stay dito sa Boracay na 3 days and 2 nights. Kasi usually, lagi akong 2 days and 1 night lang. Kasi nakasama ko ulit ito yung mga kaibigan ko, teachers ko, tapos ngayon, jowa So, pang 2 taon na namin itong magkasama ngayon sa Baguio. Good morning! Day 2 in Baguio! Na kami. This is the function room of Hotel Venice. It's the function room. Tayo pa nga lang talaga una. Kain na kami. There's coffee. There's chips. Oh, there's anything else. Oh. Yes. Ayan, kakain tayo. There's the fried rice. Ayan, sarap naman. Excited na sila kumain. Session Road later. Outfit check. We're at Session Road. So mamaya namin bibutin yan. So muna kaming camp chanting.
Pero wag mo nang afteran yung story.
Lagyan mo lang.
Camp Chinese Tamil Towns.
Nabudo ng mixed berries.
Nangudol na mixed berries. Hanggang Baguio, naniningil pa din.
Ay, guys.
Ay, buwakan. Pupunta na kami sa Session Road dahil may nagugutom na po.
Ang patay buto na yung kaibigan.
Ganyan. Ay, nakamukha mo yung puwet niya. Today lunch is KFC. KFC. Finger licking good.
Cancel tattoo.
Cancel tattoo. The agenda is night market.
Ano na ba mo order?
Hindi na lang po. Thank you.
Okay na po, balikan ko na lang.
Feel ko masarap na yan, Tel.
Naalala ko nila yung...
Sarap. So let's taste this one. Nasa mayonnaise. Sarap.
Balot mo? Sa inyo?